In this video, I'll show you how to call from Gohighlevel. Firstly, log into Gohighlevel. Just open Gohighlevel and sign into your account. In the left side menu, click on Conversations to access your messages and call history. Now, use the search bar to find the contact you want to call. Then, next to the contact's name, click on the phone icon to start the call. The call will be placed using your Twilio connected number or other VoIP provider. Just after the call, you can add notes, send a follow-up SMS, or log the call details. Or you can just call from the CRM contact page. Go to Contacts, select a contact and click Call. Choose the call method, then place the call. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.